How to make a fillable PDF digital planner. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a fillable PDF digital planner. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account in Canva, which we're going to use, you can also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. So in here, we're going to use Canva, in which it is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows individuals and teams to create professional quality visual content with ease, in which it provides a wide range of customizable templates for presentations, social media posts, marketing materials, documents, videos, and many more. So now from here to start, just simply go to the template section where you can simply search for a specific kind of template, and I'm going to enter, for example, daily planner. But you could also search weekly planner and many more. And in here, it will show you that you could also start creating from scratch or create blank. But alternatively, I'm going to simply choose the templates one to make it easier for me to start customizing a design. So as you can see, we have here a variety of options to choose from. Some of these are offered for free, while some of it, you need to have a premium account or pro plan to navigate or use it. And I'm going to choose example this one and click customize this template. By doing so, you'll be directed on this page, in which this is basically what our daily planner looks like. You can start deleting some of the elements, including this to start design, and start editing everything, including the section of this text by clicking on it. You can also start customizing the font style by clicking on the font style section on the top left corner. All you need to do is choose depending on your preferences in here. I'm going to choose an example, this one. Clicking on it, it should show you the result. You'd also start customizing the sizes by dragging it on the corner of it, and many more. And you can even add an elements or design by going to the element section and start looking for any kind of design. For example, I'm going to enter a Harry Potter kind of design. So I'm just going to enter here Harry Potter, and you can also start proceeding under the graphic section, where it will show us a variety of graphic design that you can use from. I'm going to choose this one and start resizing and place it on the top in here. You'd also add this hat right here and start changing the sizes and put it directly in here on this location. So now as you can see, we've added a few kind of design. You'd also add more if you want to, but that depends. And aside from that, you could also start customizing the style by clicking the design section on the top left corner. From here, just choose the color palette, and upon clicking any color palette, it will automatically be able to change. So as you can see, we have now here our own graphics design template for daily planner. So for instance, this is the design that we choose. Moving on, you could also go to the text section if you want to also add more text box, heading, subheading, and upload the file in here also. And for the background, you could also click the background color and change depending on the color palette in here on the left side panel. It is also another alternative way on how you can start designing the color combination of our daily planner right here. So basically all of these are customizable and also user-friendly, since it is so easy to start changing or customizing everything from scratch. Also start customizing everything with a template. With its a variety of kind of elements and design that you can choose from, it's so easy to start navigating or creating your own layout options. But in here, let's say I'm going to add a new design or elements for the final touch, which is this glasses. I'm going to simply put it in here. Now once done, you can now click the share button on the top right corner if you're now done. But before that, you could also start customizing or entering here the name of this daily planner. But in here, I'm just going to enter daily planner as an example for this name. Once done, you can now click the share button on the top right corner, which is located in here, and click the download to proceed. Then choose the kind of file type, which is PDF or PDF standard. So just choose PDF and click download. And after that, all you need to do is wait for it to be fully downloaded, and it will show you in here the result. Upon clicking, is basically what it looks like. But upon clicking any of this part, it is not fillable And to make this PDF fillable, all you need to do is simply go to this website or search on Google PDF Escape and simply proceed by clicking the first link that come up, in which basically this is a web-based and desktop PDF editor that allows user to view, edit, annotate, and manage PDF files without requiring advanced technical skills. So from here to choose, just click free online, or you could also try on desktop to download it. By clicking free online button, you'll automatically be directed on a page where you can now start uploading the PDF file that we just customized on Canva. To get started, just click upload file and drop PDF right here. So just choose from your computer files. All you need to do is wait for it after that, since it might take some time to open depending on your internet connection in here. Now after successfully opening this, is basically what it looks like, where it will show you in the left side panel some of the options to navigate, such as to insert, annotate, and the page option. But in all of those kind of options, just choose the insert section and click text. When doing so, it will show you in here that you can start adding a text, but to make it fillable, just choose form field. And for the type, just choose text in here instead of checkbox and many more, and click select. Then we can now start adding here, navigating such as the date, the to-do list, and many more, and you can even customize the sizes of it. So as you can see, it is now currently color yellow. You'd also add it in here below this to-do list, every item or every part of spaces that you need to make it fillable. So basically just do the same process of navigating to add, such as on breakfast, lunch, dinner, schedule section, the notes section, and appointments, and many more. It may take some time to add this or to make this, but all you need to do is to wait or to be patient in adding this kind of fillable form, so that when viewers try to navigate the daily planner on PDF, they can now start adding or make it fillable to add the details such as the date, the to-do list, and many more. Once done, you can now proceed by navigating on the left side panel the download option. By downloading this, now it will show in here what it looks like. You can now start clicking the date in here to enter the date specifically, for example, December 25th, 2000. And below, you'd also add a to-do list right here, which is now it is a fillable kind of PDF. So basically, having a fillable PDF is important because it allows user to enter information digitally, making a document completion faster, more accurate, and more convenient. It also reduces the need for printing and manual handwriting, which helps minimize errors and saves time and costs. And overall, that is just how to make a fillable PDF digital planner. Thank you.